Hello. When you talk about feeding your poultry and livestock animals, you need to think about the best poultry feeder and drinkers for your birds to grow. If you want to maximize profit in poultry and livestock farming, the feeders and drinkers are very important. They play a vital role in bringing and raising your chicken to maximum profit. So for you to make this, you need the best poultry feeder and drinker setup for broilers and layers, so that you stop feed waste and boost farm profit very fast. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you different, at least the best feeders that you as a poultry farmer need to use in your farm for your chicken to feed well and drink well. Even if you feed them well and they don't drink well, they cannot eat well, because when they have food and there is no water, they hardly eat. Because chickens are very wise, they know that eating without water can lead to their death, so they hardly eat. That's why most of the times you come along, you see your feed still there, and the chickens are also hungry, but they don't want to eat because there is no water. So in this video, let me show you the best type of feeder and drinker and the qualities, what make them the best. So choosing the right feeder and drinker is one of the smartest investments in poultry farming, because it directly affects feed efficiency, water hygiene, and growth and overall profit in your poultry business. The qualities of the best feeder and drinkers for your poultry and livestock animals, and at the same time show you the video. As you are seeing the video, you are seeing how the chickens are reacting to these feeders and drinkers. So let's get there. If this particular topic interests you, please kindly give it a thumb up. It doesn't cost you money to click that sign, thumb up. This will help the platform to share the video to reach more poultry farmers that need this type of topic or this type of videos. Please share the video to reach more farmers also. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, because we always give you up-to-date information on how to run your poultry and livestock business profitably. And at the same time, join the community membership of this particular channel or any of my channels. I have 2 channels in poultry and livestock farming. Please join any of the community membership. Those of you that are already members, may God bless you. Always be blessed. And if you have any question regarding on how to make good profit from your poultry business, always feel free as a member to chat me up. I will guide you free of charge. Thank you. Let's get to the video. If you don't make use of good poultry feeders and drinkers, your birds may grow slowly. Why poultry birds grow slowly? Wrong feeder and drinkers killing your poultry profit. Best poultry feeder and drinkers designed to save you costs and maximize profit is exposed in this particular video. This video is secret poultry feeder setup that triples broiler growth and farm profit. Stop wasting feed, because if you are using the wrong poultry feeder, you waste feed. Your chickens will waste your feed and waste their water. Most especially, assuming you put very expensive medication for them to drink through the water, and they are wasting this due to bad or wrong poultry drinker. The money is gone. You can't recover it. It will be on the floor and it will see a waste. So this video is to expose you to good poultry feeder. Watch the birds, watch they are well fed, and see how they are relaxing, because this is good poultry feeder and drinker. Let me briefly give you qualities of the best poultry feeder and drinker. 1. The best poultry feeders are waterproofed and easy to clean, ensuring that birds get clean feed and neat water always without spillage or contamination. And this saves money and keep the flock healthy, because most of the infections most of your poultry birds carry comes from the floor, from the poultry floor once it is contaminated. And what aggravates poultry contamination is wet floor, most especially the coccidiosis. So if you are using the good feeder and drinker, you hardly contact this, because once the birds split the water they spill the water on the floor, and at the same time scatter the feed on the floor. Once they have finished the ones on the feeder, they will start pecking on the ones on the floor. While they are trying to eat the ones on the floor, they are at the same time consuming the parasites that will affect them at the long run. So use the best poultry feeder for your flock and get the maximum result. It is waterproofed, as I talked, and it is well designed to prevent feed and water spillage to reduce losses. Easy to clean, smooth surface that prevent dirt and bacterial buildup. Durable materials. They are made from strong plastic or galvanized metals for long use. Non-corrosive. They have resistance to dust or chemicals damage from cleaning agents. Even distribution. They ensure that all the birds get equal access to feed and water at the same time. Adjustable height. They can be raised as birds are growing to prevent contamination, and at the same time to enable the birds to eat at the right time and with the right proportion. Remember what I always tell you: once the birds are growing, please always lift the drinkers and feeders up to their shoulder level to make sure that they don't bend too much for them to eat or for them to drink. They are made of stable base. They prevent tipping or overturning by active birds. You know, some birds will fly and run and hit the feeders and drinkers, and the feed can pour or the water can spill on the floor. So they are made of flat and very good stable materials. Proper capacity. They hold enough feed or water for the flock size to avoid frequent refilling. Depending on the number of birds you have the capacity of that particular feeder or drinker that will be able to serve them at least some hours, so that you will not be entering the poultry farm always because of the type of feeder or drinker you're using. Sunlight resistant. They are well stabilized and they can withstand outdoor exposures. Affordable and available. They are cost effective and easy to find locally. It is not something you must spend, you must go outside the country to get. It is something within your locality. You can easily trace it, so you can easily get it. See how these chickens are enjoying this feed and water because of the good drinker and feeder they are using. They prevent contamination. They keeps physics and other droppings from the poultry out of the poultry feeder and drinker because they are well secured, so that they cannot drop their physics inside, and also dust from water or from the floor. They encourages faster growth. The best feeders ensure that birds eat and drink comfortably for steady weight gain and proper growth. Low maintenance. Best feeder requires minimal time and effort to operate efficiently. These are the good qualities of best feeders you as a poultry farmer should know. And when you know them and use them, watch the video clearly, watch the video to the end, so that you get the picture and view how the feeder is helping the chicken to eat well. You can see the growth of this chicken because of the type of feeder and drinker we are using here. Please, if this particular video interests you, right away give it a thumb up now before you go, and share this video to reach more poultry farmers. Do you have any question? Where are you watching this video from? Please let me know. Do you have these feeders? Which type of feeder are you using in your poultry house? Are they serving your poultry birds very well? Are they spilling their water, and are they wasting their feed because of the type of feeder and drinkers they're using? Let me know on the comment section so that I will also guide you. Is there any way you can refurbish that your feeder to match the standard of the good and best feeders? Let us discuss on the comment section. Please don't only watch, make sure you share the video and at the same time drop your comment. Please join the community membership of this our channels, and if you are not subscribed until now, I don't know what you are waiting for. This is the only way you can get unlimited access to all our videos. Once you subscribe, make sure you activate the bell notification so that anytime I release an update on the particular topic or any other topic on poultry and livestock animals, you get notified once and follow up the videos. Thank you for watching the video. Till we meet again in the next video that is loading very soon. Watch to the end and see the video. Recommend what you think about this particular video and any other type of video you need. Let me also know on the comment section. Till then, bye for now. Remember, our Eco Bio Booster is still available. If you need it, please chat me up on my WhatsApp line as it is indicated on the screen. Let us use it and rear our chicken for maximum profit with zero mortality. You can see that all our chicken drink it on daily basis, and that's the only way you can get the maximum result with zero cost on synthetic medications. You only vaccinate your birds. The next video I will give you organic vaccination schedule for proper and maximum profit in your poultry organic farming. Please stay tuned. Don't skip any of the tracks of any of the videos, please, so that you get the best results. I remain your humble servant till the next video is uploaded. For now, bye.